Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Tampa. We're here to clean the advanced auto parts storefront. We're gonna be using our degreaser today, which is bad. I gotta cuss, y'all. That's the name of the degreaser. It's called Bad Ass Degreaser from Ameritech, to get some of these oil stands to lighten up. I've already made it known to the property that, you know, those won't come off, especially at a auto parts store. You guys already know people come up here work on their cars. People's cars leaking oil everywhere, so they just pretty much want to make it look better, but definitely didn't guarantee that the oil stands will be removed. So we're gonna show you guys the job. We're gonna clean the sidewalks all around the building and some of the parking lot as well. So let's check it out. So this is the storefront. As you guys can see, every spot got oil. That's expected. But the sidewalks got a lot of algae. That stuff will clean up pretty well. We're only doing just around the front of the building. Somebody just came in and let me in the back to get some water. We're gonna clean all these sidewalks. I'm gonna hit all these curves right here in the immediate storefront area. I'm gonna treat some of these oil stains to lighten them up some. Each spot, as you see, got oil. I'm gonna put this ribbon up so nobody parks on this side. They can park over there, and when I'm done, I'll switch up and block off over there. I'm gonna use my 12-volt sprayer to apply the degreaser. I'll show you guys the degreaser I'm gonna be using. That's the strongest stuff. And then there's some more spots back here. If you were gonna use it on like a residential light stain, you could use it diluted. But since this is a auto parts store, I'm gonna put it on there straight to see if I can lighten these things up. I'm probably gonna have to let it sit for at least 30 minutes before I start doing anything to them. But I'm starting early right now. The store opens at 8. I got here early, but nobody was here to get me in. Right now it's 7:18, so I'm gonna apply the degreaser and let it sit for a good, probably like 20-30 minutes before I do anything as far as surface cleaning. All right, you guys, I'm all set up with my sprayer, degreaser. I'm gonna apply it now. So this oil stain right here is lighter than the rest of them. The one closest to the store is darker. Some of this air out. This degreaser on here. And I'm gonna make sure I keep this kind of moist so it doesn't dry up. My first time using this degreaser. We're gonna see what the results we get. You could use this with a pump up too. This is just faster with the pail spray. That oil is thick right here. All on the parking stops. And they do have their own drainage system over here, so I don't have to contain anything. Nothing over here leaves the property. You could only imagine how often things spill on this driveway. I mean, on this parking lot. So they got a drain right there. so it doesn't leave the property. Once I treat this right here, I can start working on the sidewalks. That's algae up there. That's not oil. Unless this right here sit. The guy gonna have to move his car. I'm only here for oil, dirt, algae, or partial oil. Some of this, what you gonna call it, rust, I didn't charge for it, so I'm not doing the rust. So we're gonna let this sit. I'm gonna spray the rest of them, and we're gonna surface clean it afterwards. Got a few back here. All right, you guys, we're going to do a 10-minute checkup on these oil stains. And man, it's actually breaking it down pretty good, y'all. Only been 10 minutes. Starting to work pretty fast. I can see the oil breaking down and running downhill. These right here were the worst. The two in front of the store. You can see the oil runs. This one right here looking real good. So I'm gonna let these sit. I was letting my water fill up some back there. I wanted to surface clean the front of the store, but I don't want the water to run over here and dilute the degreaser down too much. Look at this. But I kind of want to get this storefront done so customers can park up here. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Let's get to work. Y'all, everything back here is cleaned up. We're gonna I'm gonna put a post treatment on here to make it look good, even though it's a commercial job. Normally I don't do that, but I got a lot of lines, and man, you can see, look at this concrete, y'all. There was a lot of oil right here, man, and this is rust, battery acid, whatever this is, that's not going away. But the oil spots, you can see how light they are. I like it, man. It's gonna look nice when it's dried up. I'm gonna jump on here now, get the storefront done. These right here been sitting for an hour, man, almost. I let them sit for an hour. It look like it's still moist. I'm gonna start up here and get the sidewalk done, and I move down here and get the bottom half done. And like I said, I'm gonna post street as well. You guys, we all wrapped up with the project. I think it came out the best it's gonna be. Super happy with the degreaser, man. Worked out pretty well. I'm gonna show you guys a recap to see how it looks. These are the sidewalks here in the front. See the oil stand still there, but very light, much more lighter. This is years and years and years of oil, and you see how dark it was when I first started. You can't beat that at all. It's drying up right here, so once it dries, it's gonna look much better. The ones in the parking lot, in the asphalt, I don't think they're gonna come out as good. There's no way, because asphalt is made out of oil already. So I'm gonna show you guys the spot I did. So I did this spot right here. It looks like a little lighter, but I can still see the oil, and it's gonna stand out too once it's done. But yeah, overall, guys, you can see this place is looking much better. I'm gonna show you guys the back. I did the loading dock back there, and the little side parking spots over here that has concrete. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. And this is the loading dock. I did porch street this right here, so you know it looks much better. Yes, sir. Look at that. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? I don't know what that is right there. I porch streeted that too. It didn't come out. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe a tire skid mark. Yes, sir. This is what I'm talking about. All right, well, that's it, guys. Hopefully y'all learned something new. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Make sure you hit the bell for new content. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.